Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to start our topic, which is petroleum, natural gas and synthesis of organic compound in laboratory. First of all, we will discuss about petroleum. That what is petroleum. Here we have definition of petroleum. Petroleum is a dark brownish and greenish black colored viscous liquid. What does it means? The meaning of viscous liquid means that it is very thick liquid. It is a complex mixture. So petroleum is a complex mixture and it contains several hydrocarbons like solid, liquid and gaseous along with water. It means that it is a complex mixture and its complex mixture contain some solid hydrocarbon, liquid hydrocarbon and gaseous hydrocarbon as well, and it contain water in it also. Some salts are also present and some earthly particles are also present in it. Earthly particles mean dust or mud. This type of particles are also present inside the petroleum. Next we have its explanation. So it is a main source of organic compound. You can obtain organic compound from petroleum. It consists of hydrocarbons. You have already studied about hydrocarbons, that it contains carbon and hydrogen compounds only. In third point, that petroleum, when you want to separate different fractions of petroleum, which method you will use to separate these fractions? These components are separated by fractional distillation. So here you have a chamber which shows fractional distillation. You have to fill petroleum over here and you will heat it in the furnace. Then it is shifted towards this container, and here you will separate these different fractions on the basis of their boiling point. So separation of these fractions on the basis of their boiling point is called fractional distillation. Last point is that each fraction is not a single compound. Then coming towards this each fraction, suppose you have fuel oil, diesel oil, kerosene oil. So it is not a just one fraction, but it consists of many hydrocarbons in it. So you can break that when you break that certain fraction, so you will easily obtain the smaller number of products. So that's why we can call it is a mixture of products. Then we are coming towards next topic, which is natural gas. So you have lots of knowledge about natural gas, that it is a mixture of low molecular mass hydrocarbon. Low molecular mass means that that compound containing 2, 3 or 1 carbon atom. So they have low molecular mass and they are present in natural gas. Second point is that it contains 85% of methane. It means that in natural gas maximum amount of methane is present along with other gases like ethane, propane and butane. So you have studied that ethane contain 2 carbon, propane contain 3 carbon and butane contain 4 carbon. So they are lower molecular mass hydrocarbons. Next is its origin. So how can you originate that natural gas? Its origin is similar to that of coal and petroleum, therefore it is found in their deposit. It means that natural gas is also present along with the petroleum and coal. When you remove petroleum or when you extract the petroleum or coal from its source, then first natural gas will come out, then petroleum will come out. So natural gas is always present along their deposit. Next is uses of natural gas. So here we have its certain uses, that you can use it in fuel in homes as well as industries. You can use it in automobile as compressed natural gas in the form of CNG, and next you can make carbon black and fertilizer also from natural gas. Then we have the topic plants, that how many hydrocarbons you can easily obtain from plants. So plants are some living plants synthesize macromolecule. So these macromolecules are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, oils. All these are organic compound. So we will discuss it in detail. Here we have carbohydrates. So the basic unit of carbohydrate is glucose. It means that carbohydrate is made up of glucose, which is synthesized from plant by photosynthesis. And you have already studied that glucose is synthesized by plants through the process of photosynthesis. It means that carbohydrate are synthesized inside the plant through the process of photosynthesis. Then when these glucose molecules combine with each other, they form a very complex structure like sucrose, cellulose and starch. So all these three structures are also known as carbohydrate and they are synthesized by plants. Next we are going to study the proteins. So you can obtain proteins from plants as well. So it is found in pulses and beans, and proteins are prepared by fixation of nitrogen by bacteria found in roots of the plant. So those bacteria which are present in the roots of plant, they will also fix nitrogen. So basically bacteria as well as plants, they both will synthesize organic compound which is protein. Next is oil. You can easily obtain oil from the plants like sunflower oil, rapeseed, palm, coconut, groundnut. So you can easily obtain oils from these plants. Next we have vitamins. So we can easily obtain vitamins from apple and citrus fruit. Plants also give gums, rubber and medicine. You can obtain these material also from plants. So lots of organic compound along with some other compound can easily obtain from plants. Next we are going towards the synthesis of organic compound in laboratory, and you have studied in the start of this chapter that the vital force theory was given by Jacob Berzelius. According to this theory, the organic compound are synthesized by plant and animal. It means that organic compound can only be synthesized inside the living body, but it is not true. When Wohler synthesized urea in laboratory in 1822, so after the synthesis of urea, this theory, vital force theory, was rejected. So up till now almost 10 million organic compound is prepared in laboratory. So lots of work have been done for the preparation of organic compound in laboratory. So that's why the vital force theory of Jacob Berzelius was rejected. Next is, so here we have certain organic compound which are synthesized in laboratory. So organic compound like drugs and medicines, flavor and fragrance, plastic paints, fibers, rubber. So here you have fibers, some fiber wires. Fibers are basically wires. Next we have cosmetic and toiletries. So here you have toiletries, those material which you can use in toilets. Next, cosmetic, toiletries, detergent, insecticides are insect killing chemical, and pesticides are pest killing chemical. So all these are organic compound, and they are very complex organic compound which are synthesized, and we use them daily in our life. Thank you so much.